What up? Hey, you're still on quartzsite. Wonder why we're still here. We've been asked if we're crazy, and I mean we, because CRV's sitting right there with us. Well, of course, Becky's still in Indiana. She'll be back sometime. Not sure when, but it's just us and CRV. There's a rig way out over here somewhere, and then there's one way down there. The temperatures. That's why we're still here. We've only had 3 really hot days. 100, 101, 102, something like that. 3 of them. Wasn't too bad. We was able to stay cool. But look, I'm in a hoodie. It was only 75 degrees today. Now it's 60 something. It's not getting hot anytime soon either, it looks like. Got a few 90 days coming up. Mainly 80s, but we're in no hurry to leave until it gets hot. Steady 100, steady hot, then we're bailing out of here. Probably going to shoot up the road to another BLM. I got the clam. It's empty. Look, there ain't nothing in there. Nothing. We are slowly packing up. We just got that little bit right there. Some of that was in the clam. Blackstone. You know, water bottles. Bobby's fully packed. And of course, just got the solar back there. But that's about it. But, you know, them 3 100 days was nothing. Mainly because on top of honey sits a 40-year-old air conditioner. That thing has, where's it at? Right there. Right there. 40 years old, still got the R12 refrigerant in it. It can almost snow inside honey. It gets that cold. But let me switch this thing around. I thought I seen a rabbit over there. And we will show you how we stay cool when it's really hot. At least 104 now. I'll get to that in a minute. Alright, I'll show you how we stayed cool. Hey Jasper, it's me. That's not my chair, that's CRV's chair. Hey, let's see if Crystal will wave at us. Wave at us, Crystal! She didn't hear me. I'm waving. She seen. But anyway, there's all the solar. 3 of them going up on the roof, maybe tomorrow. But shade screen, very important. The wind today has knocked it off there. I only have S hooks, but the corners kept it up there. I'm switching it over to carabiners. But shade screen, very, very, very important. That sun is like right here all day. Beating down on that rig, that really helps. So I call it foil bubble. Everybody else calls it reflectus. I used to make that stuff. We called it foil bubble at the factory. That's very important. Reflect that heat back. If you can get an outside windshield cover, if you're in Class C, get one. I wish we'd had one. Of course, we got foil bubble up there. Some in that window there. Of course, every window is covered in it. Every window. The little kitchen window, the big window back there. Regardless, because you want to reflect that heat back anyway. I tripped on a rock. That rock. So you got foil bubble up there. Foil bubble in this one too. The little 12-volt fan. Have one in the kitchen window back on the other side. But the other main thing is keep that generator cool as much as possible. These things, there's a sticker on them that says do not operate in above or 104 is its operating range, 104 degrees. Get you a windshield cover and keep that thing covered if you can. They don't like the heat, I will say that. This one has been pretty good. I have to unhook it from our 2000 watt inverter. Well, the rig, the way we got it hooked up, we're fooling it thinking it's on shore power. But the inverter is not enough to run that big jalopy up there. What's another way we start seeing more foil bubble in that window? You want to keep it dark as you can inside. The darker, the better. It stay cooler. This rig usually holds its cool air till, I don't know, a little after mid-evening. Then I think this aluminum, from it sitting in the heat all day, I think it starts transferring inside about then. Because we can go most of the day without the AC. Now, not on an extremely hot day that we can't do that. But earliest I've turned it on this season is, well, the 102-degree day is the moon. I turned it on at 10 o'clock in the morning. Normally, maybe 3 or 4 on a normal day, if needed. We won't turn it on unless it's like 95 degrees, 92. You know, we watch the dogs, and if the dogs pretty much let us know, hey, can we have the AC? Because it's, you know, it's basically for them. It's not really for us. But, you know, as you can see, everybody has beat the heat out of here. We're just one of the few that not in a big hurry. No sense of moving if the temperatures aren't going to run us out of here yet. But we're probably going to go down there to Roadrunner BLM. More than likely. Oh, Crystal's pointing at the moon. Yeah, we'll show it again. Yep. I think it's full tonight and tomorrow, or is it Friday and Saturday? I don't remember. Well, anyway, that's what's up with us. You know, don't forget, that's where the clubhouse was. The shower house was right there. Randy was camped over there. Well, and there. But nobody's at the spot now. So that's it for us. But yeah, really, I mean, that's how we stay cool. I haven't put the refrigerator cover on. I'm still up there coating the roof. I got 2 coats on, and I got a few more to do yet. But a dust NATO ripped the cover off. It's inside. It's okay. But that's it. That's how we stay cool and drink plenty of water. Y'all have a good one.